Hello everyone and welcome back to Joys It Flies. If you're new here, my name is Cassidy and I deal with the sewing side of this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to sew this cute little pen case for your notebook or book. It's perfect if you like journaling or anything like that, and it's really simple. So let's get into it. Starting out with what you're going to need, out of one fabric you're going to need to cut 3 rectangles, one measuring 7.5 inches by 3 inches, the next 6 inches by 3 inches, and the last one 4.25 inches by 3 inches. Then out of another fabric you're going to want to cut 3 rectangles measuring the exact same. Then you're going to need some flat elastic measuring 9.5 inches. And then the last thing you're going to need is just your general sewing equipment, so everything like your sewing machine, pins, iron, everything like that. Now let's get to sewing. So take your 2 smallest rectangles, place them right sides together, pin them in place, and then you're going to want to sew across one of the shortest edges. Take it over to your ironing board, turn it right sides out and press flat. Then you're just going to want to over sew along that side we just sewed. Then you're going to want to repeat all of those steps with your medium-sized rectangles. Now grab your largest rectangle in your outer fabric and you're going to want to place the 2 rectangles that we just sewed on top of it, going in size order, so your medium-sized one down first, then your smallest one. And then you're just going to want to baste the 2 sides down to keep it all in place. Now grab your elastic and you're going to want to pin either end to the middle of the shortest ends of your rectangles. Pin them in place, and I would also suggest you pin the middle of the elastic to the center of the rectangles just to keep it out of the way for when we sew it later on. And now you're going to want to place your remaining rectangle on top of all of that, right sides facing down, and pin it in place. Now you can sew all of the way around your rectangle, but you're going to want to stop about 1 to 1.5 inches from where you begun and leave a small gap in your sewing. Then clip the excess fabric at all 4 corners, and using that gap we left in your sewing, you can turn your pen case right sides out, making sure you poke out all of the corners. Then take it back over to your ironing board and give it a good press flat. And at that gap we left in your sewing, you're just going to want to fold the excess fabric over and press it flat so that you can't see any raw edges. And now the last thing to do is just to over sew all of the way around your pen case to close that gap. And that's it, you're all done. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I hope you enjoyed making your little book pen case. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop them down below in the comments and I will do my best to answer you.